Hello everyone. So now today we will read about first aid. In previous video children we have read about the safety rules which we follow at home, which we follow at school and which we follow on the road. And today we will read about the first aid. What do you mean by the first aid? In previous video I have told you about the first aid. It's a immediate help which we given to an injured person before arrival to the hospital, and this is very important. So let's read this. When somebody gets hurt, we need to help that person immediately. The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. If a person gets hurt, call an adult immediately. If the injury is serious, you can also call a doctor. Do not crowd around an injured person. Now, which tips? First aid tips for cuts and wound. What should we do? How do we cure cuts and wounds? Let's read. Children, do you know the meaning of wounds? Wound means घाव बेटा, जो basically whenever you fall and you have cut on your skin, so that is called as a wound. First tip, wash the cut or wound under running water. You should wash the cut firstly under running the water. Secondly, clean the cut or wound gently with an antiseptic lotion. You should apply an antiseptic lotion. Now tie a bandage or a clean handkerchief around the wound for a small cut and use a band-aid. Now fourth point, relax the injured person till an adult or a doctor arrives. Now keep a first aid box at home or while traveling. What do you mean by first aid box? A box that contains things like cotton, antiseptic lotion and band-aid and scissors. There are many things, Dettol, soap for washing hand. So all the things which we keep in first aid box that is needed to give first aid to an injured person is called a first aid box. And I think you also have at your home first aid box. Otherwise, you can make your own first aid box by using these things as an activity. Now children, we will see the new terms, what we have to learn in this chapter. The meaning of subway. What is the meaning of subway? Subway is a tunnel under a road for use by pedestrian. What do you mean by pedestrian? The people who walk with their foot. They are called as pedestrian. पैदल चलने वाले जो लोग होते हैं बेटा वो पेडेस्ट्रियन होते हैं. Now footbridge. Footbridge is a bridge designed to be used by pedestrian. First aid. The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. Antiseptic. Antiseptic is a substance that kills germs. Let's revise all the points again. We should be careful and alert to avoid injuries. Means we should be careful in every situation. If we will show carelessness beta, so definitely we would get accident. So to avoid accidents, we should be careful. We should follow safety rules everywhere at all the time. Wherever you are, you should follow the safety rules to avoid injuries. If somebody gets hurt, we need to give him first aid immediately. This is very important. First aid is very important because if you get an accident and if you bleed, so stop the bleeding is very important, and that is a part of first aid. So children, in homework today, you have to write these new terms and you have to learn these. Thank you.